This is a Raspberry Pi Pico, and this is an e-ink display module. This e-paper display comes with pin headers that let me directly connect it to a Pi Pico. The default display driver from WebShare allows me to display text on this screen, but it's pretty limited. I can display text, but changing the font size or the style is not so easy. We are going to use a fantastic tool called font-to-py to create fonts that MicroPython can understand. And I have changed the default display driver for this module to work with the font-to-py writer class. The first step is to convert the font I like to a Python font file that our Pico can use. Now, with my modified display driver and the writer class, I can use this new font to display text on the e-paper module. I'll put all the links and code in the video description below. And that's it. Back in a minute.